there's a huge hawk up here. So I don't know if you guys can see this. There, through the trees. All right, today I am not running. I am just going for a walk. My goal is a mile. This last week I came down with COVID, or a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, I came down with COVID. And this is my first day out of quarantine. So I survived it. It was rough for me, but that seems to be kind of the genetic thing for me. Other people in my family have had it, and they kind of had pretty much all the exact same symptoms I had, from a rough cough to high temps to headaches, body aches, all that stuff. So I was not one of the fortunate ones that was asymptomatic. I wish I was, but did not come out that way. So right now I'm just out here. Wanted to give you guys an update because I haven't posted a running video in a week or so. And just to let you know that these videos are unfortunately going to be probably a little bit slower, just because just trying to get my body back into it. And I feel like getting out here, getting a walk in will be good for me. I do get wore out pretty quick. So I did just get an email from YouTube that I found pretty interesting. It was all about stats that my channel went through. And you guys may have seen the posts that I put out there on my Facebook page and Instagram page, where you guys have watched 1.2 million minutes of videos this year on my channel. And I just want to say thank you so much. None of this stuff would be possible without you guys watching this. This is just me with a camera, my phone, and my iPad, making these little videos and hopefully entertaining you as much as they entertain me to make them. So I wanted to say thank you. I wanted to wish you guys all a safe and happy holiday season coming up, and a new year. I've got some good plans for 2021. I hope you guys stick around. If you guys have been liking any of my videos, if you can, whenever you're watching them, just give them a thumbs up. It takes us a second to click that button, and it really truly helps out the channel. Pushes my stuff out to a lot more people than what would normally see it, working with that YouTube algorithm thing. And leaving a comment, that's really helpful. Also, I really enjoy interacting with you guys. I did see that one of the statistics for this year is I have replied back 850 some times. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. One of the really crazy statistics that I've seen on my channel is the percentage of people who are watching my videos versus people who are watching them that are subscribed. So 95% of the people viewing my videos are not subscribed. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to the channel, and this may be your first, second, third, fourth video you've watched of mine, just go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, really encourages me to make more videos. I produce videos every week, at least one a week. As always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one.